Has it ever bothered you that you can't seem to change the case of your text in Excel like you can with other applications? Well, actually, you can. You just need to use a formula and then use paste value to remove the original text. There are 3 formulas you can use: upper, lower, and proper. I'm going to show you upper. Click on the cell you'd like to change and enter. Fill the formula down if you need to, or across, and there you go. I don't wish to see both values, so I'll copy the cells with the formula in, right-click on top of the original data, and choose Paste Value. Now I can delete column B. So upper for uppercase, lower for lowercase, and proper to capitalize each word. Simple. And that's why you need Quasar, improving efficiency and effectiveness with Microsoft Office. For more information, call us now on 08458 626265 or visit www.quasar.co.uk.